What's up guys, my name is Eric, welcome back to this channel, welcome back to the vlog. In today's video we are going to be wrapping my BMW 535 Xi. I'm so excited for this. I've had this wrap color for quite some time now, and I'm finally ready to get this car wrapped. It actually already is done, so I'm in my car right now. The wrap is complete. We finished it last night, so we do have a ton of footage from us wrapping it. I didn't do an intro before that. I just wanted to get it done. We did bust it out this week, and now we're gonna cut to the montage of wrapping my car. Alright guys, now that you have seen the new wrap color, I'm going to tell you what it is. It is a gloss dark gray from Avery Dennison. This is their Supreme series. I believe it's the Supreme 900. Don't quote me on that. If you want to know exactly what vinyl it is, link in description. Shout out to them. They hooked it up. I actually got it through a distributor, Metro Restyling. Super fast shipping. I'm super impressed with how quickly they were able to get me the amount of vinyl that I needed and how they have everything in stock. They killed it, so shouts out to them. We are at the airport right now picking up my good friend David. We're heading to Vegas this weekend, which you guys can see in another video, but we are gonna get his reaction to the new wrap. I've already seen it personally because I was the one that was wrapping it, but David has not seen it. He saw the car last week with 0 wrap on it, so to get his genuine reaction the first time he comes out of the airport, hopefully it should be good. So whenever he sees it is when you guys are gonna see the wrap as well. So get ready, the reveal is coming very soon. Alright, and there you guys have it. That is the reveal of my new wrap. Alright guys, well that is gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this wrap install video. If you do have any questions about the technical aspect of us installing the wrap specifically on this BMW E60, please leave a comment down below and I will try my best to answer as many of those as I possibly can. If you guys want to see some more content on the BMW E60, we are heading to Vegas right now to go drive race cars on the track down there, so please check out that next video. Make sure you guys throw a like on this video if you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Peace.